What's good, mermaids? It's Lex, and today we are going to be doing an apartment tour. So me and T are actually moving out of our apartment, and this has been in the making for what? Since we got here, about 9 months, about wanting to do an apartment tour. So we thought, we're moving everything out right now, so we just thought, you know what, let's give it a farewell goodbye, and you guys can see everything before we uproot our lives with this crazy stuff going on with, you know, the virus and everything. So we actually are subleasing our apartment, which is really nice. And we're gonna get out of here as soon as possible. So it is March 27th, before we all go on down for sure. So let's get going. As you can see, this is just right when we first walk in. Here's our shoes right now. We have this hang up our little coats. Don't mind that, that is just our tubs right now for when we move. When you first come in, you walk into our kitchen. So it's a big kind of little spacious kitchen, which is really nice. As you can see, to our right, we have our fridge. So we got freezer, who remembers her? Yep, oh, it looks like some rotten strawberries through back there. This is just a disgrace. Sorry, we're moving, so you know that.
But we actually have food.
Yeah, we actually have food. So I'm not gonna go through every drawer because that's just like weird. But, you know, we have
the goods.
Stash, the goods up here. Here's our kitchen, oven, stuff like that. Here's our little Keurig. Oops. We haven't been here in so long. So here's our cups. Here's our little dish stuff. Got garbage and stuff down here. Don't really care about that. You know, we put up a clock. We wanted to be...
The clocks are on time!
I don't know what to put that down. And then we have just like our pantry stuff right here for food, and then microwave, Avi, and then we got our dishwasher. So this is really a nice little area. We love it here. Now we're gonna move on to our kitchen, dining room table. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of carpet everywhere, so we have to be very careful. So here is, we have a very big like living room, living space, and we absolutely love it. So here is, and people can decorate this however. We got a lot of our stuff from like Facebook and the thrift store, thrift shopping. Sorry, I'm balling on a budget. Do what you gotta do. We're not gonna pay thousands of dollars, okay? Not happening. Let it go back as far. But we are set up like this. This was a very good thrift store find. Don't worry, we scrubbed her down, washed her really good, so don't ever. We have like our blankies right here. We have all our remotes. We have this. We have our another couch. And you know, Minnesota, what up? Another open space. Here's our TV. We have a Roku. Absolutely love Roku. If you don't have cable or anything, get a Roku. It is so easy to work with. It's so nice. You can still get Netflix, like Hulu. You can still YouTube, get all that. So, and then we just wanted to decorate it like this, like make it, we wanted everything to be very comfy and very homey, right? Like anything else. We're very atmosphere people, so we needed to have our atmosphere be really nice. I don't know, this is just a random big ramp we have.
It literally looks like a long and it's right.
Taller than me.
And it's right by the freaking TV.
I know, it's kind of like different by the TV. Like we didn't really know where to put it because there's no lighting in this area. Like that's why we have like lamp here, lamp there, lamp right behind me. So we wanted to like space it out so we can get some lighting because it's just Akko. So we're still on carpet as you can see, but we have a rug right here, and then we have like our little dining room table set. You know, she's kind of mini, she's kind of cute, but we don't really have that much people over, so it just worked out. And these are really comfy and like nice. And we also got this at a thrift store. So I think this whole set was like 80 bucks, not even maybe, I don't think. So we have this. So this is our like living room dining. We also have, sorry, don't mind our stuff over here. We also have, here's our little like island table, so it's kind of long. And we got these really nice stools on Facebook. So they just look like this. And yeah, it's just nice. This is mostly where we eat anyways and stuff like that. So we have that. and everything kind of goes together. So we have like either black or dark brown, tan, kind of a burgundy, just so it all matches together. And yeah, pretty big. And of course we have our famous mirror. We love this mirror. We use it all the time. Hi. Just kidding. We're obsessed. This is where we take all of our, I'll try to put up some pictures if I have any, but I'm sure people have seen it. But whoever, wherever, whenever, whoever you are, you need a big mirror like this. Are you kidding me? If you don't, I don't know what's wrong with you. But yeah, we love this. So this is it. And sorry, I look like a train wreck because we're moving out today, so I'm not putting on makeup, not doing crap because I'm gonna be sweating and lifting. So yeah. Oh, and then, so let's kind of go down the hallway. This is just a random, like, closet. Mostly it's all my stuff. So here's all like my shoes. Sorry, I have a lot of stuff all over. Coats, and then we just put some random stuff up here. Vacuum, you know, cleaning supplies, whatever. So let's go down the hallway. So as you can see, when you first walk in, here I'm in the bath. Perfect. So here's our little, like, this obviously came with like the apartment. So we have a little like shelving thing here, which is really nice. We have some random stuff there. Our sink, our toothbrushes, random stuff in here, as you can see. Not really much in there.
That looks like a long peen.
Okay. So, and then here's a really comfy rug, got it at JCPenney, which was really, like, they're nice and it was cheap on sale, you know. Here's a bigger closet, just mask and just very, very feminine, very towels, you know, just the usual. And then we have our matching set right here. We have Hello Beautiful. We wanted like a little sign in here so we're not so dull. We wanted stuff to be like not too poppin', because we didn't want to spend like a lot of money and like a lot of stuff like that. We just kind of got little stuff that, we also got a lot of stuff at like TJ Maxx, Target stuff on sale.
Ross.
And Ross, yep. So here, over here is our little toilet. We have garbage, typical, so we love this little stand. You know, when you're sore from going out, perfect. Lotion, random stuff, bubble bath, wipes. I'm sorry, if you don't have wipes, I don't know like what to do, what to tell you. Typical stuff, same rug set that came with it, and then here's just our shower. Our shower's kind of dirty, so I'm not gonna show you that, but you know, it's just like a shower, what you would expect. So, and we have little hooks, which is really nice. So this is our bathroom. It's actually pretty big. Like it's pretty spacious, you know? Okay, let's move on. We also got stuff for free, so we didn't know what to put in this long hallway. So it's a pretty long hallway. So my sister just like gave us this and we're like, okay, whatever, we'll just use it, don't know. We didn't know what to put in here. So we just put A&T for Alexa and Tyra, obviously. And then we just have like some random stuff in here that we just like threw in there with the cube stuff, because that just makes sense. We just wanted something here. So yeah. Now when we go to the left, it is Mi Casa Su Casa. Okay? Where the magic happens.
Oh gosh.
So here is my big old bed. I absolutely love it. I've had this for literally ever. Like I didn't even get, like this was way in my basement at my home. I've had this forever too. I got this for free. So this is just my nightstand where I put my stuff in, you know, very personal nightstand stuff. And then when you go to the right here, we have the closet. So this looks rough because I've been moving out, but this is just my extra stuff. So I have like my purses. I usually keep like socks and stuff in here. Here is where my big like sweatshirts and sweatpants are. I used to have bins up here too that would have my sweatpants and jeans and stuff in, just because I didn't have like enough room for that. And then I have like this I said, and then I have another random little like bin over here. So this is the closet. And I'm sure this background looks a little familiar if you watch my YouTube videos. So now when we go here, it's just like an open space, you know? And then here's my desk where I do my makeup, where I get ready. I have a whole bunch of my makeup stuff here. My I just like threw it in there. I really don't have a lot of my stuff here because like I said, with everything going on, I've been home for a couple weeks, so I have a lot of stuff there, my makeup, all my stuff. Usually here's where I put my skincare. This is like my lip liners, lip stuff like that, lip gloss or lipsticks there. And then here is my other stuff, really everyday essentials, so like deodorant, hairspray, that stuff right here. So I don't have that here, but also just random stuff in here like ponies and extra makeup and jewelry right here. So yeah, and then down here is like my makeup palettes and stuff like that. And then here's just like a window, but we got to block her out because I cannot have one little light. I'm sorry, I need to be blacked out. Lucy. So, and then here is my TV, where this doesn't like do cable or anything, it just does DVDs, and I have a huge collection of DVDs, so I love it. Sorry, my camera just died and I don't have the charger, so we switched to my phone. So like I said, here's just like a dresser. I got this for free too. It's kind of, but like it works and it gets the job done. Like I'm not, you know, it's fine. It's whatever. So that is it for my room. I have like this little hallway here, I guess you could say, you know, and this mirror. It's just a mirror I just flopped up there, you know, because you need one in your room as well. So we have that, but yeah, this is my room. Next, we're gonna go into
My room. So this is my room. There was one day I got so bored and I changed it, so I added these picture frames to it, and then this is my bed, and of course my dad made all like this wood stuff. My mirror, because you know you need a mirror.
Need a mirror.
And then that's usually where I get ready, so I keep my little things in there.
Yep.
But haven't been here, so. And then this cute little decorative thing. And I love my plants, so.
Got a plant. Here's the window again.
Yep.
Little space
And then
there.
of course my favorite thing is my.
Can I open this and show them?
Yeah.
So this is like, it's like really deep and stuff too. Just because girls, you know, we have so much stuff.
Shoes, and then my favorite part is my closet because I love.
Drop the phone.
Because I love to shop. And you know me, I have to have all my hangers gray. And then just like medicine, hats, and my more hats. And then I think swimsuits, but ew, swimsuits right now.
Oh, rough. Whatever, you were just in them for years.
And then there's my pants. And then those little bins hold everything.
Yep. And then here
is my nightstand.
Yep. Fan, of course. Yep. So yeah, this
and
is
that's my
little
room.
Okay, mermaids, that is the end of our apartment tour. We just thought we would give a good farewell, and we've been telling you guys forever that we want to do like a full apartment tour. This is basically how it's been the whole like year. We didn't change anything or do anything like that. I just had some more clothes in my closet, but that's literally like it basically. So yeah, we love this place so much. We have so much great memories, just like doing fun stuff, so much unexpected stuff, from like doing schoolwork, going to work, just like doing everything. We literally love this apartment so much, and we're so blessed and grateful we got to live with each other. I mean, I don't think really many people can say that they've like, done this. So it was so fun. Just like I don't know, do you have like anything else to say that you want to say about this farewell?
It was just like a good apartment, and to be with like a family living here. Oh. It was just like a good apartment, good experience of the college life, to experience it with the family, and have those unexpected nights, but also just us in our PJs watching movies and chowing our faces with our desserts.
Yes.
So
oh my gosh, for
that's
sure.
the best.
It's good to close like another chapter and have another one begin, you know, so it's kind of bittersweet, but it's just crazy because we felt like this just came like upon us so fast, so like uprooted, like with everything, you know, with the virus and everything going on. So it's crazy, but I'm sorry, but right now y'all gotta go. You gotta get up out of here on my house. Don't make me call security. We gotta clean, we gotta throw away stuff, we gotta do all that. But anyways, just wanted to say thank you. Before you leave, wait, come back. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the noti bell because you for more videos. Okay, but seriously, bye.
Bye.
See ya, thank you, bye.